What's up? If you're learning Blender, you probably saw that last tutorial by Default Cube making the most important thing, the paperclip. Well, I hate curves myself, so I actually use a different way, which is maybe a little bit faster even. Right, so let's get into it. Let's add a reference, add the paperclip, let's set our 3D cursor at starting point, add a new plane, yes, a plane, tab, merge all vertices at the center, and let's extrude that to all the bounds, like this, down to the right, to the top. Now select 2 vertices each, Ctrl B, and make sure clamp overlap is selected. This one too, this one as well. And then object convert curve, give it some depth, like that. And let's fill caps. Right mouse, shade smooth, materials new, and up the metallic, decrease the roughness a little bit, and let's add an HDRI right there. Downloads HDR. There we go, and let's add this one. Beautiful. And we're pretty much done already. Let's add a quick ground plane. Scale it up, move that down a little bit. And there we go. A paperclip. Just like that. Thank you for watching.